Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. I've been really busy for the past few days, packing up, shifting, and then I think the travel blog actually took a hit out of it. But now I'm here in Chennai for a work thing. I actually do work in addition to my blogging, and I'm put up at the Leela Palace in Chennai. It's my first time here at the Leela Palace in Chennai, even though I've stayed in other properties around the world, other Leela properties around the world. So I thought I'll take you through a quick tour of the place. So so this is basically the entrance. It seems to be quite a huge room. I have a walk-in closet, which is unusual in most hotels, in India at least. The room is huge compared to most of my European hotels. I have a gorgeous looking bed which I'm going to be sleeping in soon, and I'm giggling because this is the first time I'm doing something like this because I'm not used to doing it. Okay, and that's the washroom. Pretty basic washroom, toilets. A great his and hers part. But what I loved was this bathtub and that view of the sea in Chennai. But I'll show you a better view. But before that, let me show you one balcony, which is right there. The sun is just setting, so yeah, this view is good as well, but not that great as the other view. I'm just still trying to figure out how to open the door, but I think they've intentionally locked it. But that is the ocean there. So that's it from me from Chennai. I'll be here for a couple of days before heading back to Bangalore. Bye for now.